How to digitally paint a watercolor apple in Procreate. First, setting your canvas. Okay, first import colors from the photo. Okay, now you get a new set of the color and I rename it. And then next, turn the reference on. Select canvas, turn reference on, and then import the photo. Drag the reference to the left, and I already finished sketching the apple shape. Next, select the first watercolor brush as abstract round brush. And then create a new layer and it will be under the sketch layer. Now start to paint. Please create a new layer before applying the new color. This layer should be placed above the first layer that we painted. Next, I will use a water blender to blend the colors on each layer. When you are blending the colors, please observe the reference. Next, I will add more details, like the yellow dots on the apple surface. For making dots, I use smooth brush or watercolor smooth brush, or you can use hard edge brush. Next, add the kind of reflective light on the apple surface on the top, and then blend the color. Next, I will add more dark color on the right side of apple surface. And yet from the original photo, we need more yellow. So I'm adding more yellow color. I keep adding and blending following the reference photo. It's done for putting the colors. I'm going to merge all the layers. First, grouping all the layers. Then duplicate the group. After that, merge the layers that are inside the group. To do this, then you can always return to edit it again. Next, I'm going to cut the outside colors off of the apple. Please watch carefully. I'm using an eraser to trace the line of the apple shape. Go to the top left and choose Selection Tools. Select Automatics. And then move your pen into the apple and drag it to the right and then to the left. After that, select Inverse. Swipe 3 fingers down and select Cut. And then hide the sketch layer. Unhide the stem layer. We need the stem. Next, create a new layer and paint and then blend the color of the stem. Next, I will use Selection Tool and then freehand. Make sure you select the right layer. Then draw the area that you want to adjust the colors. To do this, the apple will look more realistic. At the bottom, select Feather and slide it a little bit to the right. Then select Adjustment, select Hue, Saturation and Brightness. After that, adjusting the brightness. Okay, we will do it again. Selection Tool and then select Freehand at the bottom. After that, draw the area that you want to adjust. At the bottom, select Feather and slide it a little bit to the right. Select Adjustment, select Gaussian Blur. After that, adjust the blurriness. Please observe what am I adjusting. And then you can keep following the same steps until you are satisfied with the result. Adjusting the colors or blurriness. You just look at the reference and adjust it. Next, I will add a shadow. Create a new layer, select black color and draw an oval at the bottom of the apple and then use a Gaussian blur to blur it and also decrease the transparency too. Okay, it's done. The last photo, I add watercolor paper kit.